Welcome to our video on lithium-ion battery recycling in South Korea. In February of this year, we had the opportunity to design and manufacture a complete lithium-ion battery recycling line for a recycling company in South Korea. This recycling line features our latest pyrolysis carbonization technology, which effectively addresses the risk of electrolyte pollution during the recycling process. The entire line consists of a shredder, pyrolysis furnace, and crushing separation system. These components work together seamlessly to separate black mass, copper, aluminum, battery casings, and separator paper from lithium-ion batteries. With the increasing demand for electric vehicles and portable electronic devices, the need for efficient battery recycling solutions has never been greater. South Korea, known for its strong commitment to environmental sustainability and technological innovation, presents a promising market for lithium-ion battery recycling. By installing advanced recycling technology like ours, we can effectively manage its growing e-waste problem while simultaneously recovering valuable materials from used batteries. This not only reduces environmental pollution but also promotes resource conservation and supports the circular economy. In conclusion, the installation of lithium-ion battery recycling technology represents a significant step towards a more sustainable and environmentally friendly future. If anyone wants to know more about lithium-ion battery recycling machine, please contact us.